You don't need to pay $200 per month to use Claude Code anymore. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Claude Code for free and build app, websites, automations, or whatever you like with it. So I have built dozens of websites and apps with this free method, and one of my apps just made it for sale. I'm also a non-tech person and no coder, so I'm going to show the easiest method that you can use even if you're a non-tech person and you haven't seen anything like this ever before. So without any further delay, let's get to the setup. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to download this app called Anti-Gravity by going to this link right over here and click on download. Just download it for your device. I have a Mac, so I have downloaded this. So I already have the app, so I'm just gonna open it, and it's gonna look something like this once you have done the initial setup, which is just click the yes button until you get over here. And in order to use it, you just have to click on open folder and then create a new folder. We're gonna name it YouTube trial, and this is the place where all of the things that you're building will be built, and whatever you add over here is going to be added to your folders as well. So over here I'm going to show you how you can use Claude Code for free. First method is this is the non-free method which everyone teaches. You have to go into extension and then you have to install this Claude extension, which you have to just install, and then you can use it, and it's going to look something like this once you have installed everything. But this thing is paid because you need a $20 subscription in order to use it. So then how do you use it without this app? Well, it was sitting right over here, and this is the one I'm talking about. This is Anti-Gravity's native agent, and to be honest, I have built more stuff with this than this. Even though I have the subscription, even though I have a lot of limit, I still use this over Claude Code a lot of times, and I've built dozens of websites and apps, and even the ones that are getting monetized. I have used the native agent feature quite a lot because the limits over here, they just suck. And I'm going to show you one thing real quick. So this is nothing but just a model that is building stuff for you, right? And if you go over here, you also have the option of using Claude. The limit is really low, but if you select it, it's basically identical to what you are seeing over here. It's the same thing because this is using the same model as this. So you have Claude Code in both of these instances. But I would suggest you to use Gemini 3 Flash for the majority of things because it does the building process so well. And then once you want to refine something, and once you want to get to the next level where Flash is not doing thing, just get to Gemini 3.1 Pro. And I'm not just saying things, I'm going to build a live project right in front of you in both of these together to show you what do I mean. So in this folder, I'm going to add two more folders. First, I'm going to name as Claude Code, and second, I'm going to name as Gemini. And then I'm going to add a new file in both of these named as agent.md. And agent.md is nothing but an instruction file, what are you going to build and how are you going to build it. I've shared the entire process in the Google Docs in the description, so you can just go and check it out if you want to see how I built it. And I'm going to just paste everything. This is my agent.md right over here, and press Command S to save it. And then I'm going to just copy it and paste it over here as well. So we have both of these together. And then I'm going to give both of these the prompt. To Claude, I'm going to say, hey Claude, could you build a website for me in the Claude Code folder that I've made? And I use the agent.md that is living inside Claude Code to get the instructions and build it in one go. I don't want you to ask for permissions and stuff, just build it. And then we're going to copy this prompt to Gemini as well. And then I'm going to just change their name and change the folder name as well. Just build it inside the Gemini folder. And then over here, I'm going to click on bypass permission and send it. And over here, I'm going to click on Gemini Flash and then remove the plan mode and just let it go. And both of these agents are building the same thing. So we are building a website for this brand that I made as a mock-up a few months ago. And it's a luxury protein brand. It's fake one. So we are just making that. And both of these agents are running right now to create the websites, and by the end of it we are going to see how they both turn out and which one do you like more. So by the time they are making it, I'm going to show you one more thing. So yesterday I had an idea how cool would it be if we just took a selfie and an AI does the entire photo shoot. So I wanted to build it, but I was the idea is not so good that I spend my time on it. So what I did was I used a Ralph loop system which actually builds the entire thing and then reviews it and then builds it again. So I just gave one prompt to Claude Code and it built the entire thing within like 50 or 60 minutes. I don't remember. But the thing is, I didn't use the real Claude over there. I didn't use Claude models. I used something that is called Minimax, and it's like an external model that you can connect with Claude Code, and the subscription cost was like $9, and it basically has like unlimited limits. Like it built the entire thing, yet the session limit, like the limit you get for every 4 hours, it was used only like 6 or 7%. I was like, damn, you can't even like finish it. It's that good. So the next video is gonna be about how you can connect this with Claude Code. Because I think this is really valuable. Like I'm not using a $200 subscription plan just because I have this. So this was the app that it built, and it was like a one shot thing. I haven't even looked at it, but it's working so flawlessly. Like everything, I was like, I don't even care, just build it and we'll see what happens later. And as you can see, like it gives the entire dashboard where you can like have tokens, and like you can drop your selfies over there, and it's gonna like create the portraits. It's so good. And I just can't believe. And if I'd used Claude, I would have like burned my limits in like 10 minutes. So this is like the greatest hack I've found. I'm gonna share how I've installed it in the next video, but till then, let's see how both of our agents are doing the things. Gemini has finished working, and we'll see how long it takes to Claude to finish working. So I'm gonna like skip to that part real quick. Alrighty, so both of our websites are ready, and let me show you how they look like. I'm not gonna tell you like which one is which. Let me know if you can actually tell, because um, to be honest, they both look really amazing and really similar, because our instructions in the agent MD told everything like, hey, how you wanna like make it and everything. So as you can see, both of these are amazing. They have similar animations, because the agent MD said that like we need these kind of animations. This looks so cool, man. It also had like something like this over here. Wow, super cool. Loved it. It's a one shot thing. Would you believe it? And both of these models were able to like create it. By the way, this one is the one Gemini created, and this one is the one Claude created. Now Gemini has the power of Nano Banana, so it was able to like create a good image, but Claude didn't have it. So you can install a skill later. It doesn't really matter. But what I'm interested to show you right now, and I'm talking about the limits, cause like how much tokens did we use, how much limit are we left with? That is a really important question. So by going over here in this settings menu and opening anti-gravity user settings, you can see how much you have used the model that you were using over here in models. And as you can see, we haven't even depleted like anything with this, right? Like this thing, and it's gonna refresh in 5 hours. But with our Claude one, we have used like 26% of the session limit. Now again, I have like a $20 plan, but like 26% for just like one website, and then you're also gonna give revisions and stuff, so it's gonna exhaust real quick, being very honest. So that's the reason I use anti-gravity quite a lot more than Claude, because it just does the job, and you are not gonna notice like, okay, this is the powerful model, this not, because like as you can see, we made this amazing website, and just like that, I've made amazing apps that I've like even sold, that people can't notice, okay, this was made with a free subscription, this was made with a paid subscription. Like it doesn't really matter, it just works. So I hope you found this video valuable. Again, everything is given in the Google Doc that is in the description, like all the links, all the prompts, and all the agent.md and the agent.md building guide that I used to build everything that created this website. So if you like that, just go and grab it over. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how you can connect Minimax with Claude Code to like get unlimited limits on Claude Code, which is like super powerful. With that, I'm going to see you in the next one.